Welcome back to my channel, Gearheads. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the legendary 2025 Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser, a true icon reborn for the modern age. In this video, we'll dive into the exterior design, interior features, performance, and more, all while keeping that signature rugged appeal that has defined the Land Cruiser series for decades. Cut to a wide shot of the FJ40 from the front. Exterior. Scene 2. Detailed shots of the exterior, front grille, wheels, roof, and design highlights. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 FJ40 stays true to the classic design we all know and love, while incorporating modern touches. The front grille remains bold and square, with the iconic Toyota emblem front and center. But now, you get sleek LED headlights with a retro vibe, perfect for those who appreciate both style and function. Close-up shots of the headlights, grille, and fenders. Speaking of style, the 2025 FJ40 comes with larger fenders, a more aggressive stance, and a refreshed bumper design, providing better clearance for off-road adventures. You'll notice those 18-inch alloy wheels paired with all-terrain tires, ensuring you're ready for anything the road, or lack thereof, throws at you. Cut to a side profile shot, showing the roofline and rear end. The roof retains that iconic, flat-top design, but now it's equipped with a reinforced, lightweight material for enhanced durability. And those side steps, not just for looks. They make getting in and out of the FJ40 easier, especially when you're out in the mud. Pan to the rear, showing the spare tire mounted on the back. At the rear, the FJ40 keeps its signature rear-mounted spare tire. This retro feature is both practical and stylish, paying homage to the original model while serving a functional purpose. Interior. Scene 3. Interior shots, focusing on the dashboard, seats, infotainment, and cabin space. Narrator voiceover. Moving inside, the FJ40's interior blends ruggedness with modern comfort. The cabin is a mix of durable, high-quality materials and practical design. You'll find premium leather-trimmed seats, designed to withstand the toughest conditions while keeping you comfortable on long journeys. Camera pans across the dashboard and infotainment system. Tech-wise, this isn't your typical retro SUV. The 2025 FJ40 features a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's own off-road navigation system, ensuring you're always connected, no matter how far off the beaten path you go. Close-up of the dashboard and digital displays. You've got a digital instrument cluster here, providing all the vital info you need, from off-road modes to drive stats. And with an upgraded climate control system, the FJ40 keeps you comfortable, whether you're driving through desert heat or snow-covered mountains. Shot of rear seat space, highlighting the back row. The rear seats are spacious enough for a family, with ample legroom and the flexibility to fold them down to carry all your gear. Storage space. You bet. With a large cargo area and multiple compartments, this vehicle is ready to take on whatever adventure you've got planned. Performance. Scene 4. Action shots of the FJ40 driving through rugged terrain, dirt roads, rocks, sand. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood of the 2025 FJ40, you'll find a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine that cranks out 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine pairs with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth acceleration and incredible towing power. Cut to the FJ40 climbing up steep hills and navigating obstacles. Off-road. The FJ40 is built to conquer it. With a full-time 4WD system, locking differentials, and Toyota's multi-terrain select system, this Land Cruiser is ready to tackle any terrain. Whether it's mud, rocks, or deep sand, the FJ40's traction and suspension systems are built to keep you in control. Close-up of the terrain mode selector and diff locks in the interior.